In today's video, we're going to talk about how you should choose between Webflow and Bubble IO. Webflow is ideal for visually rich websites, landing pages, and e-commerce. It gives pixel perfect design control and smooth animations. Bubble IO, on the other hand, is for web applications with user accounts, databases, and workflows. It focuses on functionality over precise design. Now, if your project needs custom logic, dashboards, or automation, Bubble is the better choice for you. But if you need fast, polished marketing sites or portfolios, Webflow is easier and more visual. Both platforms actually include hosting, but Webflow emphasizes performance and design, while Bubble emphasizes app functionality. So, how you should pick between them? Choose Webflow for design first sites and Bubble IO for functional web apps. Your choice depends on whether design or app logic is your priority. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.